Good day everyone. Today I'm going to show you how to patch this cable to the patch panel. Okay, so our target port is 43. So at the back, if you can see and if you can refer to the manual, the better. So we will activate the port 43. In here, this is the port 43. This is a set B. So this is our color coding that we will use. Start from this side, the right side. Brown, white brown, green, white green, orange, white orange, blue, and white blue. So first we have to, supposedly this will be on the center. But see, for the demo purposes, for you to be able to see it, I will put it here this side. Okay, so we will put this brown. The next is the white brown. Next is white green, white green. Then orange, white orange, blue, and the white blue. So before you use the impact tools, this one, make sure that this is under the 43 port by checking this line. Okay, so now we will start the pressing using the impact tools. Okay, next. So we will remove all of this if it's already cut, but if not, you can do it anytime again to make sure that it is cut. Okay, so we're done. Now we will test if this is working or not using the test step. So I will put it here. Let's see if this will work. Then I have another a very short cable. Put it here. As I've told you, on the port 43, we will check. Let's see if it's working. So you can see there, 1:1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. So it is now working. So good to go. That's it.